On Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be looking for a way to make more passive income through PayPal. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a second. See you soon. Hey, welcome back. Aaron Chen here. So on this channel, I'm always showing you how to generate more sales in your online business and create more freedom through the power of the internet. And today we're going to talk a little bit more about PayPal. How do you get more money into PayPal? How do you get passive income into your PayPal account, right? And you can see here that this is my PayPal account, all right? So I'm going to cover, some of these details up because I just want to make sure that, people's information aren't revealed. But you can see here that, you can see the dates on the left-hand side. This is really my account because otherwise I won't be able to scroll this, right? And you can see the numbers right here. So let me just try and scroll through here. So you can see $100, $46. I withdrew 28,000 ringgit of my currency. $97, $46, $46, $427, $46, $46, $427, $46, $143, $46, 1,181, $46, $428, $27, sorry, $46, and then it's loading and it goes on and on and on. And you can see the dates here as well, right? So every single day income is coming in through my PayPal account, and this is just one of my accounts where I'm getting income through these accounts, right? Now, here's the thing about this, right? When you go to any other video on YouTube that talks about this topic, okay, they will show you income on PayPal, but the strategies that they teach you are strategies like, where you go onto a website and you watch a video, or you download an app, or you click on an ad, and all these little what they call micro gig tasks where you'll get paid through PayPal, but you literally you're getting paid pennies on the dollar, okay? You're never gonna make thousands of dollars through PayPal using these strategies. And the truth is that, look, if you're going to be here online looking for a way to generate real income through PayPal or through some other merchant account or whatever it is, it may as well be good money. Wouldn't you agree with that, right? Why waste your time, listening to music or watching videos or clicking on ads or reviewing a product and stuff like that when they're only paying you 1 cent, 2 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents for every action that you take? It doesn't make sense, right? You want to make hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars through PayPal, otherwise it's not worth your time. Listen, that's just my personal opinion, okay? And so that's what you're gonna learn on my channel. So if I didn't say it already, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm always coming out with a couple of videos every single week that will show you these kinds of strategies, okay? So I'm gonna break it down for you here on my online whiteboard, all right? So first of all, you need to understand that PayPal, all it is PayPal is a way for you to collect money. You can't really use PayPal to make money, if that makes sense. They're kind of like an online banking account. They're kind of like a merchant account in a way, okay? That's all PayPal is. So first you need to understand that because some people don't even understand what PayPal is, okay? All it is it's a platform where you can receive and send money. But can you actually make money with the PayPal platform? No, you can't. You can't, all right? So you need to understand that. So you can use PayPal to receive money, and I'll show you the way how I generated all those sales earlier, okay? Now, this is the best way to do it. So this is what a lot of people online teach. They say, okay, in order for you to make money on PayPal, you do this. You go to websites. Hold on one second here. Underline. Go to websites and do tasks, and then get paid, and then get paid for those tasks. Now, this is the worst way to make money through PayPal, because when you go to websites and you do tasks, like I mentioned earlier, listening to music, downloading ads, clicking on stuff, making reviews and stuff like that, they pay you pennies on the dollar. They don't pay you that much money, because think about it. These companies cannot afford to pay you that much money, because if they could, they would go broke. The revenue model doesn't make sense, right? So the real way to make a lot of money through the PayPal platform is to learn how to sell products properly online and then accept it through PayPal. Does that make sense? That is the best way to do it, honestly. Now, there are a lot of different business models where you can sell products, right? You can do it through e-commerce. You can do it through network marketing, MLM. You can do it through top-tier sales. But the way that I like to do it, and the easiest way to get started, the lowest barrier to entry, is something called affiliate marketing, right? You may have heard that term before. Maybe you haven't heard that term. But all affiliate marketing is you're selling other people's digital products, okay? They're not physical, they're not like a mug, okay, like this, or they're not like post-it notes like this. No, it's digital information that people want, okay? So the best way, so I wouldn't use this method at all, okay? Method number one stinks. Right? That's what everybody talks about because they think that they just want to make a video and teach you an easy way to make money on PayPal. But it's not easy if you're spending 5 hours a day and you're only making like 50 cents. What's the point of doing that? It doesn't make sense, right? You're spending 5 hours a day and you're making 50 cents after 5 hours. That to me is a waste of time. You may as well go walk somebody's dog or clean someone's pool or paint someone's fence or work minimum wage at McDonald's. You would make way, way more money. Look, if you're here to make real passive income online with PayPal, you should be making hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars because that is the power of the internet if you understand how to do it properly, which I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So make sure you grab out a pen and a piece of paper and take some notes, okay? So let's just call this method number 2, all right? This is how this really works, okay? The real way to make a lot of money through PayPal, all right, is to sell digital products online. Okay, you sell other people's digital products, and literally you can choose any industry you want. You can, and here are the 3 big industries: anything in wealth, anything in health, and anything in relationships. These are the 3 biggest industries in the world. Now, within these industries, there's tons of different ways, tons of different products that you can sell. In wealth, you could sell cryptocurrency products. You could sell multi-level marketing, MLM products. You could sell make money from home products. You could sell marketing systems. You could sell business opportunities. So many different things, right? In health, you could sell any type of health. You could sell diet programs. You could sell how to get 6-pack abs. You can teach people how to lose weight and fit into their wedding dress, right? Relationships, you can sell pickup courses. You could teach couples how to rekindle their relationship. You can teach people how to propose to someone that they've always wanted to propose to. I mean, there's so many different narrow little niches within these big niches. Okay, so that's the main thing. So first of all, you want to sell products online. Okay, now where do you find these products? All right, so there's a lot of different marketplaces that you can go to, and I'll just name you a few. Right, so you can go to ClickBank. You can go to JVZoo, you can go to Warrior Plus, you can go to Share a Sale, you can go to Share a Sale, you can go to Rakuten, etc., etc. There's so many, right? And look, these are just some of many networks that you can go to. ClickBank is not the only network. A lot of people have heard of ClickBank and they're like, Aaron, if I can't sell ClickBank products, I'm never going to be able to make money in my life online. That's not true, right? ClickBank is one. I don't even sell ClickBank products anymore, honestly. I used to, and I made a lot of money with ClickBank, but I sell a lot of other people's products too. There are other marketers' products as well, marketers, right? So this is independent marketer. Products, right, that you can also sell, and most of the time the best products come from independent marketers, right? People that have created their own stuff, like myself, or other people that have been in the industry for a long time. Those are some of the best products to sell. If you want to sell someone in the health industry, research, just go to Google and type out something like a 6-pack ab affiliate program, right? Or like a cryptocurrency affiliate program, or weight loss affiliate program. And you will find some of the biggest people in the industries that are independent. They're not part of a network, and they might have an affiliate program, and you can resell their products, okay? So once you've done that, then here is the next step after that. Now, once you've found a product, okay, you have to learn to sell it. So it's all about the knowledge. How do you sell these products, okay? So you need to pick a product, right? So you pick a product, find a great product. After you pick a product, you need to build a simple sales process, okay? Now, here's the thing, all right, that I want to mention. If you want to make hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars online, you cannot be lazy, all right? So I'm sorry, but if you're watching this video right now and you're a lazy person, please exit out of this video right now, because you will never make it online. You will never make any money online, right? You see all these videos on YouTube where they say, oh, make $200 a day on PayPal. Oh, make $50 a day on PayPal and stuff like that. All these videos are talking about stuff like I spoke about, where you go to websites, you do all these crappy little tasks, you spend like 15 hours a day clicking around, like stuff like that, and you'll make like a couple of bucks. Okay, now if you want to do that, go watch some of those other videos, right? But if you want to really make some income, like I showed you just now, hundreds, thousands of dollars coming into your accounts every single day, you need to do what I'm telling you right now. Process number 2, okay? If you're lazy, it doesn't work. All right, it doesn't work because you're never going to be able to build out something that's going to allow you to earn real money. Okay, so you need to build a simple sales process. Now the simple sales process I talk about in a lot of my other videos, right? I don't want this video to go on too long, but just understand that all you really need to do is you need to add value and create simple content. Okay, now you might be like, oh Aaron, oh my god, does that mean that I need to like get on camera like you're doing right now? Or does that mean that I have to have a podcast, and interview like successful people and use content? No, not really. Okay, you just need to create simple pieces of content within the niche that you chose, whether it's wealth or health or relationships, right? And you can do this very, very easily. You can, and there are many, many different ways to do this. Okay, and I'll show you right now. You could create videos where you're not showing your face. You could use cartoon style videos. You can do whiteboard style videos. You can do videos like this, but you're not even showing your face, right? You can record your screen. You can do PowerPoint style videos. You can hire somebody else on websites like Fiverr to do those videos for you, right? You can write articles, okay? Articles. You could do YouTube stuff. You could do Facebook stuff. You could do a podcast if you want. If you prefer to get on a podcast and do it, you could do that if you want, right? It's not a requirement, but it's one of the options that you can do. Any sort of content that you create, if you can add value to the audience that you're going after here, right, you will do really, really well. And then what you do is you lead them to the product you are selling. Okay, so it's really only 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Actually, I know that looks more than 4 steps here, but in reality, it's only 4 steps, right? So you are going to one of these networks or going to a marketer, you're finding a product. Actually, it's only 3 steps. And then you build a simple, you pick the product, you build a simple sales process, and you do that by adding and creating simple content that teaches about that particular product so that you add value, okay? And then you lead them to the product that you're selling, and that's how you sell, right? And actually the final step is you need to find an audience, right? So find audience, which is really what we call traffic. This is an industry term, okay? So don't worry about that too much, but you need to find people that actually want that particular product. So if you're selling a wealth product or you're selling a health product, you need to find people that want to lose weight. If you want to teach people about relationships, you need to find people that are interested in relationships, that want to rekindle their relationships or want to pick up guys or girls or whatever it is. So it has to be very, very targeted, okay? Now, all of this stuff you need to learn. Okay, now I can't teach you that, unfortunately, on, this video is already running for 13 minutes, right? Because look, if you want to make hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars, you need to learn this stuff, right? You can't learn it on a 10-minute YouTube video, unfortunately. It's just, there's just no way. All right. And so a lot of these videos, again, I keep mentioning this because, when I go through topics like, how to make passive income with PayPal, and you watch these videos, they're teaching you stuff where you're making pennies on the dollar. Now, if you want to make pennies on the dollar, go ahead and watch those videos. Okay. That's completely fine. And you can make pennies on the dollar if you work 10 hours a day and make like $5 you probably can't even make anything more than that. Right. But if you want to make real money, like you want to do this properly, then what I just showed you right here is the best way that I know how to do it. Okay. Now, I hope that you've opened your this has kind of given you some aha moments. So first of all, I'd like to know in the comment section below what you thought of this video, right? Does this make sense? Okay. Do you want to learn how to do this properly? Let me know in the comment section below. If you got some value, give me some thumbs ups. Okay. Now, here's the thing. If you're like, Aaron, okay, this sounds great, but how do I do all this stuff? Because this looks kind of complicated. Right? It does look kind of complicated because there's so much stuff. You might be a beginner and you may never have done this stuff before, okay? Now, I want to show you how to do this right, like in detail, Okay, so I've got some very, very detailed training where it's going to break this down a lot more, a lot slower. I'm going to show you in detail how this really works. And then if you really want to do this, there's a way for us to work together, completely up to you. All right, now I've got a free training workshop where you're going to get this information. Okay, and I'll send it directly to your email if you want. Now, how you get that is right below this video. You can click on the link. It's going to lead you to my website. On that website, enter your real email address, and I'll send you this training directly to your email. Now, make sure you check your spam folder, because sometimes email these days, it does end up in spam, okay? And watch that video in detail, and I'll talk about why this is really the best way to get as much money as you want and passive income into your PayPal account, like I do every single day, okay? And like hundreds of my students do, because this is the best way I know how to get a lot of money on PayPal. You know, if you want to make, again, you know, 1 cent here, 5 cents there, $1 here, $1 there, then go ahead and do this strategy right here on the top. Okay, but I think this is a waste of time, especially if you have a couple of hours a day extra and you want to do this. You may as well just do method number 2, because this is how you make real money. Right? This is how you make life-changing income. This is how you retire yourself. This is how you spend more time with your kids, your family. This is how you get out of debt. This right here is an absolute waste of time, honestly. If you understand the power of the internet and the leverage that you can create and the income you can create, you would never do method number 1. You just wouldn't, because it just doesn't make sense. You could make more money offline than doing it, you know, with method number 1. Honestly, you know, no joke. Okay, I've been doing this for 11 years. No joke. Method number 1 is an absolute waste of time. You may as well be doing this. So if you want to learn how to do method number 2 properly, click the link below, and I hope to see you in the next page. I hope you enjoyed this video today. My name is Aaron Chen, and I will catch you on another video. Take care.